Hello family, and welcome back to a new analysis video. In today's video I have Thor chain and Thor that I will be talking about, which is one of the many projects that I like in the node space besides strong block. So I wanted to give its love out there and talk about its price action and the price prediction that I have for it, because I believe it's only right to compare this with the strong block, which I am invested in as well. And since it's only fair to do that and talk about the price as well. And if you like these types of videos, please like and subscribe. And let's get into the video. So with Thor, I actually tried seeing it on TradingView, but unfortunately it didn't work out. I couldn't find Thor for some reason on TradingView. So if you guys have any experience with finding it on TradingView, it would be really appreciated to let me know in the comments below. But I still found a way, so I didn't give up. I wanted to do my analysis on CoinMarketCap. So as we can see here, it'll be difficult to draw out the lines and everything since this is on CoinMarketCap. But I will be finding a way to try to figure it out on TradingView so that I can do my analysis a bit better. But this is going to be something brief, and I'm not going to be talking about the new updates and everything that they have with Thor, but just briefly talking about the price action and everything that's going on with Thor. So as we can see here, on the 1 day, we were on a downtrend for quite some time. Not quite some time, but from 317 until, so it was actually the same day from 317 on the daily. We were on a downtrend here, and then we broke out of that downtrend. And my favorite pattern that I always like to talk about, the double bottom, which if you're not aware of that, take a look at my previous analysis where I actually analyze it and draw out the lines, which helps out a little bit. But it's essentially just a pattern that I like to take a look where investors seek that as a good price entry, and it usually happens after a big rally. Okay, so after what happened here at the 33.56, it happened again at the 33.58. So just remember that it doesn't always have to touch exactly the same price, but usually around the same entry. Okay, so as the line here, it was several cents away, but after what happened, you can see a big rally here. Okay, and there's another pattern that I like to talk about as well, double top here. So this was also a resistance. So as you can take a look here, we had a big major resistance here, which when it touched it one time at 36.06, it decided not to continue going up, and it was called a resistance here. And we created a double top here, which price went up again to the 36.04, and decided it's not a good time to buy it. So we went down again, as we could take a look here at 35.42, and this could have been a support that's created, but unfortunately, as we can see, it broke that support, retested it, and then went back down. And as we can see, it retested it again. Okay, so this was a support, but unfortunately, since it got retested, we were continued in the downtrend. And as you can see here, we continued in that downtrend, and look where it stopped here. Okay, at 34.04. This is not coincidence, okay? This is basically almost the same range. And after it touched that zone, it decided to continue back up. There's big supply here and big resistance at these levels, okay? So for the daily, we're usually just in a downtrend. Looks like it's been in a downtrend here for quite some time, from 317 to 318. So we're down on the daily, okay? And just keep that in the back of your mind that we're at almost a major resistance here. So we're trading in this zone for a little bit, okay? The zone of 34.78 to the zone of 318. So just take a look at these charts and analyze it, and know that when we find usually double top, double top, we usually go back down, okay? And we created here a support, as we can see, and a resistance up there, okay? All right, let's take a look at the 7 day. So 7 day price has been lovely, actually. We've been on an uptrend. As you can see, we were at a low of 21, okay? So Thor was actually just going on a downtrend without any purpose at all. And then they created a lot of updates and a lot of things I will make a video about. And we've seen the price rally back up, okay? And 7 days, we've been on an uptrend. So it's difficult for me to draw it here, but As we can see, big uptrend from 24 until this level here at 31, and we would draw it here at 27 to these levels of 37, okay? And we were in that range in market for quite some time. And for the short term, we would draw it at 24.5 to right here at 33, okay? Which then after we broke it, we came back and retested that zone that we have, okay? We drew it, we would draw it right here. We came back and tested that zone. And then unfortunately in the 7 days so far, we were in a downtrend for quite some time. And then now we're in the ranging, okay? So Thor, I still believe in it long term. This is one of my favorite projects besides Strong Block. And in my opinion, there are a lot of things that they're coming out with, and I do believe in the future of it. So this is just a simple analysis, and as you can see in the 1 month as well, my favorite pattern that I like to talk about, there's a big uptrend here for quite some time from 2022 until 23, and then we went back down to the support that we've created here, okay? We've touched it several times here actually before it decided to continue back down. So in the 1 month, we were in a downtrend, as you can see here. We were from 74 all the way to 21. We were in that major downtrend until we decided to break it. And look, once we broke it, look what happened. Look at this price action, okay, from 21 until 27. So there was big moves here once all the updates and everything came out with Thor. So this looks very promising actually, and I do see a lot of potential in it. And in the next video, hopefully I decide to, I'm able to actually see the charts in trading view and able to analyze it better, okay, for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, let me know in the comments below. Also, if you have any experience viewing these charts on trading view, as this would help out tremendously. And stay blessed, guys, and stay tuned for the next video, and hope to see you on the next one. Take care.